Early American pencils were made from Eastern Red Cedar, a strong, splinter-resistant wood that grew in Tennessee and other parts of the southeastern United States. To be nearer to the source, northern manufacturers migrated south and set up wood mills until, eventually, the greatest concentration of U.S. pencil manufacturers had established factories in Tennessee. To this day, U.S. producers are primarily concentrated in the South. By the early 1900s, however, additional sources of wood were needed. Pencil manufacturers turned to California's Sierra Nevada mountains, where they found incense-cedar, a species that grew in abundance and made superior pencils. California incense-cedar soon became the wood of choice for domestic and international pencil makers around the world.